Hello guys, today what we're gonna do is to set up the channels using the duplicate option. So what you're seeing today on the screen is we have 6 channels and we have 6 radio address. So you can see channel 1, radio address 1, but the address can be changed. It depends on how the setup you want. So what we're gonna do is, let's say we're gonna have 2H2S, 2LEL, 2SO2. Okay, so how to do it? We'll press home, press the wire free. Also check this one, it's invisible or not yet active. Okay, so once I press this, observe this one. Okay, now it's active. We can now press this. Then we will now set up our channel 1. So let's say this is already set up, having 10 and 20. Then we have also the radio address. That's, I have told you that you can change this one also to whatever you want, as long as the sensor is also having the same radio address. Okay, so channel 1, radio address 1, to make it easier. Okay, then what we're gonna do is we will do duplicate. So the meaning of that, channel 1 up to channel 32, it is the same setup for the relay, which is 10, relay 1, relay 3, 20. Okay, so let's check. Let's immediately go to channel 32. So it is the same information. By the way, channel 29 up to 32 is an option where you can place your 4 to 20 milliamp sensor. Okay, let's check. Going to 29. See, 29 up to 32. Okay, so on this panel you can install 4 sensors, which is 4 to 20, starting 29, 30, 31, 32. So these are the connections that you can place. Okay, next we will go back to channel 2. Let's see, we'll inspect channel 2. So it is the same information, but we need to change the value of the informations. It is the same H2S. Okay, next we'll go back and then set up channel 3. We will set up this one for LEL. We'll change this one to LEL. Then this one will be off, this one will be on. Then we will change the value for relay 2, which is 25, 40. By the way, this setup is as per Saudi Aramco HSERM. Okay, then we will duplicate. Therefore channel 3 up to 32, it is having this information. Copy. So let's check. Let's go 32. You see, it's the same. Okay, now so let's go back. Let's go channel 5. We will set up SO2. Okay, SO2 will make this one on. 2, this one off, this one will be 5. Then duplicate. So therefore 5 up to 32, it is having the same information. Got it? Okay, but as you notice, the sensor location is not changed. We need to rename each channels. Okay, so let's go channel 6. So it is the same information for SO2. We'll go channel 7. We will now turn this one off, and then we will duplicate. Okay, so 7 up to 32 is already off. Okay, let's check. 7, we have the shortcut here. 32, it's off already. Okay, then we need to rename all the sensor locations: H2S, H2S, LEL, LEL, SO2, SO2. Okay, so that's how to do it. Thank you.